I started from the bottom, my nigga, and I got the back. Dirty on my side just in case I hate to react. I ain't really with the talking, my nigga, I let it fly. I ain't fucking with you niggas turn into rats. I started from the bottom, my nigga, and I got the back. Dirty on my side just in case I hate to
Welcome back to the channel, guys.
Welcome back. Another day in the garage.
Legend of Speed Motorsports. Today, guys.
So now we finished up the brake job. We reconditioned the M3 calipers, repainted everything, detailed them black and red, and the new crushed-drilled and slotted rotors with the zinc coating. We put the heat shield back on, just for you guys knowing that we did the custom drive shaft and the M3 rear. You just have to trim the original heat shield a little bit. This is what we took out.
Yeah.
That was touching, so no issues. You can still run your heat shield. Yep. And we're about to put the exhaust back on.
We already got the exhaust mounted up. But as you can see,
out under the car, ready to go.
Yeah, you see the heat shield's on. You got the 10 mil bolts already on there. There's 4 of them. Let's get this thing hooked up, man. All right, guys. Underneath the car, lined everything up. We're putting this bracket up right now. As you can see, we got 1 bolt. We got 3 bolts in. We're just trying to get the 13 mil to tighten this up. Heat shield's on. There's another bracket that goes right in front here, and then we'll go ahead and seal that over there. Line up the gasket, make sure it's good, and we'll have exhaust almost done.
Damn it! I grabbed the wrong socket, guys.
You got the wrong socket. You got the wrong socket, guys. Excited. M3 rear end back there. I mean, back here somewhere.
Slow and steady because it's a locking nut, so it's going to be hard at some certain moments because it's locking. Right now it's probably not. It's getting a little firm. Might get a good snug on that one. Yeah. That's it. Exhaust is done, guys. Exhaust is in. Finally, we have it all in. It's been some time. Life, you know, we have other things to do, so this is fun. We had a new year, new day, and we got stuff done for the new day here.
Day 1 New Year's.
This means we can put the car back down on the ground, guys.
Drop this one in there now.
Yeah, we gotta put this one little plate in here. Throw it up, brother. $13 mil, guys. Got 4 of them. He's already got 2 of them in. you notice, he's visualizing the threads, so he's making sure not to cross thread it. People ask that question a lot. How do you know? You just got to feel it with the fingertips.
Yeah. It glides. Once you feel it glides, you're good to go.
Right here. Get too crazy.
Rookie move.
Let's see.
Super excited. Guys, it's an epic day. You just gotta talk those. We got the E46 on the ground. It's an epic day. Look at my hands. Filthy. Got Hans wrapping up the wheels. Next stop to the paint. This one's already almost done with the body work. But guys, we got this thing on the floor. Check out those wheels. Let me know what you guys think about those wheels. Muffler's in there. It's a temporary muffler. You guys don't know. It's been a long time coming. I don't know if you guys seen I added the little duckbill wing on this thing. That's gonna get painted red. Got some M3 side skirts up there. Give this rust. But man, this is sitting nice. Look at that fitment though, guys. Look at that. Interior is pretty much done. I gotta button up the center console area, but the steering wheel's mounted. And guys, it's a glorious day.
Glorious day. The car's back down on the ground. We just double checked our wheels because, you know, the car's been up in the air for a while. Before you go out on the ride, guys, just check your wheels. Cheap insurance. We already double checked everything. This is the last thing we need to do. Put the key lock in the car and we're gonna go take it for a ride and see what's going on.
Yeah, I got to charge up the battery.
So, you know, have an LSD, come around and turn, you know, do a little drifting. Why not? That's what we did it for. We're gonna have fun.
You're gonna have fun with this thing. Super excited. I'm about to go put this rear seat in.
That's gonna be a wrap for this car on the E46 330 CI to M3 E46 rear end conversion with the custom drive shaft. We'll let you guys know when we're sliding around a turn with the LSD. You know, they said it couldn't be done, but it's done. There it is. It's on the ground, ready to be driven. We showed you all the tips and tricks. Like I always tell you, how to get under the car and do it yourself. We did it in a small garage to prove to you guys it can be done.
You have it, guys. It's on the floor. E46 M3 conversion on a 330 CI, guys.
Did you take a look? Show them. Single exhaust.
Yeah, don't got the double.
I know you guys are going to comment about our JDM single exhaust. It's fine. We're going to change it out soon.
Yeah, this was a freebie. We just wanted to throw it on there to see how it sounds. And just, you know, rip it a couple times. But we're done. Take these badges off.
We might just leave and take the CI and put an M there.
True.
Thought about it, you know? Because it is, you know, we're converting it as it goes.
So it can
With
be
M3.
Yeah, and packaged type.
People are going to say, why do you do it? We like building our own cars and street sleepers. I know we could have bought an M3 with the money we're going to spend, but we're doing our own work, so we don't pay for that.
Custom work is different. When you got custom work, you know, it speaks for itself. But see you guys on the next one.
Peace.
I started from the bottom, my nigga, and I got the bag.